What does 5G mean for your business, and are you getting the most out of it? If you're a communication service provider, 5G with its super speed, low latency, and exciting use cases can transform your business from an unreliable bet to a bankable asset. But for that to happen, your network needs to work optimally from the get-go. Network testing during the installation phase ensures that the job is done right the first time. Common issues like dirty fiber connectors, antenna misalignment, interferences, or poor timing synchronization can be solved before they impact your subscribers and cost you more in the long run. This is where Viavi can help. With easy-to-use solutions that simplify more complex RF testing and analysis, even for less experienced technicians.
So what challenges are faced with new technology and the new network rollouts? Traditional networks have used frequency domain technology, and those techniques for solving interference problems have been developed for many years, and they've worked very well. So looking for external interferers, whether they're jammers, whether they're boosters, is quite straightforward. Our tools help simplify that and speed that process up. So one of the biggest challenges today is how do we identify internal interferers? Historically, it would have been PIM, passive intermodulation, when we mix two signals on the same feeder. One of the other things to consider now in time domain is timing and synchronization. This is over-the-air measurements to look at the delays between the signals. Viavi solutions have been used in the field for many years now. The RF Vision is a standard platform for antenna alignment, inspection probes, power meters, light sources, with the idea being that these are simple tools, so you can focus on the job at hand. We've now extended that to the coax and RF world as well with our OneAdvisor 800, which is our scalable Lego platform, which allows you to build it as you need. But the idea is it's simple to use and it allows you to focus on the job that you're doing rather than the measurements that you make. Getting the data back in a timely manner is critical as well. We do that using StrataSync. So you can sync the tool while you're on site as long as you've got access to a hotspot or Wi-Fi, and that pushes the data straight into the cloud, so that's available to the back office. That saves a lot of time. You can verify the site before you leave. You make sure you get it done right the first time.
From the build phase to maintenance and troubleshooting, Viavi tools are easy to use, and they guarantee reliability, stability, and repeatability. Our wireless portfolio addresses the entire network lifecycle, from pre-deployment testing in the lab through turn-up to assurance and optimization. Together, we deliver on the full value of 5G.